dance is called Take Me to the Beach. 32 count, 2 waltz, and there are 2 restart in this dance. During wall 2 and wall 6 after 16 count, and there is a tag at the end of wall 8. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with our right foot, step right to the side, turn your body 1/4 to your left with your hand pushing upwards. Recover. Do a sailor quarter turn to your right. Behind, side, side. Continue with syncopated lock step to the left. Step, lock, step. To the right, step, lock, step. Step, left, forward. Section 1 again. Step, push, recover. Sailor step, turn. Step, lock, step. Step, lock, step. Step, left, forward. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2. Cross, right over left. Make a quarter turn to the right by stepping your left back. Cross, step your left back a quarter. Side shuffle. Cross, left over right. Do a shiver. Heel, return to the center. Step your left back. Step your right back and clap, clap. Section 2. Again. Cross, a quarter to the right. Side shuffle. Cross left over right. Do a shiver. Left, center. Step your left back, your right back and clap, clap. So section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 3. Cross, right over left. Cross, step your left back and back. Repeat. Cross, back, back. Rock your right forward. Rock, recover, and rock again. Make a pivot quarter turn to your left. So, section 3. Cross, back, back. Cross, back, back. Rock, recover, and then rock. Make a quarter turn to the left. So with the count. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section. Cross, right over left. Do a sailor step. Cross, side, sailor step. Cross, side, tap, left behind. Make a heel bounce, half turn, and a heel bounce, a quarter turn. With your weight on your left to start the next wall, using your right, step right to the side, and you push, and you return, do a sailor step. So last section again. Cross, right over left, do sailor step. Cross, side, sailor step. Cross, side, tap, bounce half turn, and another bounce a quarter turn. With your weight on your left, and you start the next wall, push, return. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So in this dance, there is a restart during 16 count of wall 2. So wall 2, I'm facing 6 o'clock. So we do wall 2 and the restart. So here facing wall 2, we start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Restart. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Similarly for wall 6, there is a restart after 16 count. So at the end of wall 8, there's a tag. Let me show you the tag facing 12 o'clock. The tag will be out, out, in, here return, here return. I repeat the tag again. Out, out, in, here return, here return. With the count 1 and 2 and